Welcome back. Now, whenever you set up a Wishlist member page, you're going to see at the bottom of many pages, powered by Wishlist member. And what you can do is you can put your affiliate link inside of those areas. To do that, you're going to need to apply to the Wishlist member affiliate program. And you're going to come to this page. And as of the recording of this video, it is wishlistproducts.com/affiliates. Then what you're going to do is you're going to sign up for the affiliate program. Now, in order to be paid, you will need to have a PayPal payment address. You'll also need a tax ID number or a social security number. And what you'll do then is enroll in the affiliate program. Once you're approved for the program, you will have access to a referral partner home. And you'll want to take note of your link generator and your tracking links. What you're then going to do inside of your WordPress installation is go inside of Wishlist member. You're then going to go inside of the advanced options. You're going to go to miscellaneous, and you're going to post and paste in here your affiliate ID. Now, if you want the link to show, you'll need to make sure that it shows here as clicked. And then once your affiliate ID is here, the individual clicks on that link, they make a purchase of Wishlist member, you will then be credited with the sale. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.